How to push from Lusha to HubSpot. Really easy and simple, guys. As you can see right now, I have not connected my HubSpot to my Lusha account. So if you want to connect it, it's really easy and simple. Come here, click on your profile icon at the top right. You can click on integrations and it will bring you up to this page right here. And you can just go ahead and click on connect. So click on connect right now, and this will open up a pop-up where HubSpot will basically have to give permission to, connect Lusha. So I'm going to choose my account. This is Pioneer Media. This is my account. I'm going to choose this right here. So I've chosen this account, and it says we're connecting to an unverified app. This is okay because Lusha doesn't come with HubSpot, a native. So you can come here and connect it right here. You just click on connect app. And now we will see once this page refreshes that we'll have HubSpot connected. So I can come here back, and as you can see, account has been connected. So I can go and refresh this. Now come here on Lusha on your home page on the dashboard. Come here to the left, you'll see your list, right? And then you can choose whichever list you want. For me, I have one called Outreach. So this is my list. You can select all the contacts or specific contacts. I'm just going to go ahead and select all of them. And then you can come on, click export to CRM. Select your platform. For now, we are going to choose HubSpot. And as you can see, it says continue. If you didn't have this connected, it would have said first, connect to CRM. But since we have it connected, I can just go ahead and click on continue. And now we can review and save. So we can see all our contacts right here. And if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and save this, and it'll basically be exported to your HubSpot. Really, really easy and simple. As you can see, all the contacts have been saved to HubSpot. Let me just go ahead and approve this to you. So come here to HubSpot, CRM, contacts, and here we go, guys.